Hi there, this is Cara with ByteStand, and this video is for the Shopify merchants that are setting up a complex version of the Flex feature inside of the MCF shipping app. If you have not already, please watch the previous video which illustrates the purpose of the Flex feature, how to enable it, and the basic setup steps. Find the video link in the description of this video. The Flex feature is an optional feature which gives a store the ability to assign multiple locations to products in Shopify. This specific video will guide stores that participate in the Amazon MCF program in multiple countries or marketplaces and wish to track location-specific inventory levels per product and/or want to turn on automatic fulfillment for Amazon products only. But before we get started, let's take note of some important items that should already be completed at this time. The merchant should have physical products stored in Amazon buildings in multiple Amazon marketplaces or countries. These locations can include the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Mexico, Germany, Spain, Italy, France, Australia, or Japan. The Amazon multi-channel fulfillment program will only ship MCF orders inside of the country the products are stored in. Next, on step 1 in the app account, the store has previously connected multiple Amazon marketplaces in the app. And inside of the app, this Flex feature has been enabled already. And last but not least, automatic fulfillment has already been disabled in the store's Shopify settings on the checkout page. So let's scroll to the top and learn about handle fulfillment. Stores will need to assign Amazon marketplaces to products in this column. Yes, multiple marketplaces can be selected for one product now. So this provided information will tell ByteStand and Shopify who's essentially in charge of the product. Help us fulfill your MCF orders in multiple countries, and if you have the sync feature enabled, the app will sync the product's inventory levels from the correct Amazon countries into Shopify. You can make mass selections and edits to products by using the Edit Selected SKUs or Advanced Search and Edit buttons. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, notice the product count, the page navigation buttons, and how to expand the amount of products per page. So for our first example, let's select the correct Amazon marketplace for one product. I sell this SKU in the United States and Canada, and I want Amazon to fulfill this SKU in orders for both countries. I'm going to go ahead and select both countries and press Save. When you set up an Amazon marketplace for a product, this is what the product listing will look like in the back end of Shopify. Notice the ByteStand location and any other locations you may have set up in your Shopify settings. Now, in my case, I have selected 2 marketplaces for my products because I store these products in Amazon warehouses in the US and Canada. So when a Shopify order is placed with the Canada shipping address, the app will send the fulfillment request to Canada Amazon and ship the SKU from Canada. And the same process will happen for the US orders. So coming back into the Flex page, you can now decide if automatic fulfillment should be on for specific products. Products and orders which have automatic fulfillment checked will be automatically sent to Amazon for fulfillment, and all other products will sit in an unfulfilled status in your orders, letting the store decide when to fulfill the rest of the order. Just don't forget to press Save in the app after you make any changes. Now, kind of switching gears, if the store previously had inventory sync running in the app, you will want to trigger a sync in the app after you completely set up Flex to update the product's inventory quantities in their new locations. Watch as I quickly navigate in the app to the sync page and initiate a sync. Pretty easy? Continuing on, the goal on this page is to select the Amazon marketplaces you would like the app to pull inventory quantities or list pricing from. The app will update the inventory amounts inside of the app and in the back end of Shopify. Stores will still have to utilize Shopify's markets or an additional third-party app to show the specific product inventory levels on the front end of their website based off of the customer's locations. This is because on the front end of the website, Shopify combines the product's multiple inventory quantities for all of the product's locations, meaning that the product could be out of stock in the United States Amazon, but in stock in Canada Amazon. And until the store sets up markets correctly or uses an additional location app, then in this example, customers in the US still see the product as available and they can try to purchase it. Please see this video's description for information about apps like Locksmith, which is an app that uses customers' IP addresses to show them the products and inventory in the customer's country. Back in the app, navigate to the sync settings page of the app. In here, you will edit the products Amazon Marketplace, one at a time or en masse using our edit and search features. Because I am selling Amazon products to US and Canada customers, I am selecting those marketplaces for my products, and I'm also triggering the inventory sync only. If you wish, you can also enable the price sync, which will pull the product's list price from Amazon. Just make sure to press save before navigating away from this page, or if you use the Edit Selected SKUs or Advanced Search and Edit buttons, after you save your changes, you can use the menu to the right to navigate to Products and Product Sync. Now it's time to sync to Shopify. At this time, you can select all SKUs or just some. You will notice a timestamp will appear in the last synced column. This means the data in the app has been pushed to Shopify and your product should now have the correct inventory numbers in Shopify. The app will now sync automatically every 8 hours or every 30 minutes depending on what sync plan you're paying for. Moving right along, the store has set up order fulfillment for multiple Amazon marketplaces, set up the inventory syncing for said marketplaces, and now you are ready for the next step. So let's quickly talk about your MCF orders and how they will process. Okay, for orders, when Flex is enabled, a 3-minute delay will be added to order processing, as this is a 2-step process now, whether automatic fulfillment is triggered for products or not, meaning that there is a 3-minute delay between orders being placed in Shopify and the locations of the products in the order being updated in Shopify. Once Flex has run in the orders, the next step is sending the order request to Amazon. If automatic fulfillment is triggered on the Amazon products, those orders will be switched to a requested in progress status in the order. It does take Amazon up to 8 minutes to accept or reject an order. Once the order is accepted, it says accepted in Shopify. And you can now see the order in the app on the order page and inside of Amazon Seller Central. Great, you're finished setting up Flex and the inventory sync. Stores that are currently installing and setting up the app have a few more steps to complete. See the description in this video for your next steps. Stores that have had the app installed and set up but are just transitioning into Flex, you are finished now, but feel free to check out our additional videos in our YouTube playlist. Each video goes over the different ways to utilize the Flex feature in order to optimize your e-commerce business. And as always, please reach out to us when assistance is needed. We are happy to assist with questions, app setup, or product demos. Happy shipping!